Plug them in?
Mm-hmm.
Do not take a picture. No, baby.
It's okay. It's a video.
Oh.
Okay.
Copper.
Copper was a little hound who lived in a barrel in Mrs. Slade's yard. Chief Field hunting dog lived there too, but he was always too tired to play with Copper. Dinky the Sparrow and Boomer the Woodpecker were too busy chasing loons. The squirrel was too busy going nuts. The raccoon ran away from Copper, and the rabbits did too. There's no one to play with here, said Copper. I'll have to look somewhere else. And he did, and he found a little hound named Todd. Todd was looking for someone to play with too. Now Copper and Todd play with each other every day. The end.
Good job.